Hello, I'm Executive Chef Joseph Schutze, and welcome to our kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you my technique and recipe for making an Italian classic, biscotti. It's a very easy recipe and one that you can do many variations with. Also, did you know that in Italy it is not called biscotti? It is called cantucci. And the word biscotti is actually a combination of two words meaning twice cooked. Now that we got that out of the way, let me show you how easy this flavorful cookie is. To begin, let's go ahead and put some of our dry ingredients into our mixing bowl. This is all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and some sea salt. Let's go ahead and add our sugar. And then go ahead and put in our paddle attachment. And let's turn it on very low speed just to stir it and let it mix for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now that everything is mixed, let's go ahead and add our eggs. And our melted butter. And go ahead and mix this just until the dough starts to come together. Now that the dough has come together, I then like to add my orange zest, aniseed, our chopped pistachio, cranberry, and orange extract. In this particular one, what I'm using, I didn't have the orange extract. I'm using what's called orange blossom extract. So it's gonna add a much more floral aroma to it. And let's go ahead and turn this on slow until all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly. Now we have our dough mixed. Let's go ahead and put it onto a sheet pan lined with a silpat or parchment paper. And let's go ahead and mix it together and shape it into a log. If the dough begins to stick to your hands, go ahead and try running them under a little bit of cold water, and then that will help prevent the dough from sticking to you. So when I do mine, I just kind of work it like that. Get myself a nice uniform shape. That way when I slice it, you know, it looks a lot nicer. And then as I'm flipping and moving it around, I also really like to put which side I think looks a little nicer on the top. All right, there we are. Now let's go ahead and put this in the oven. It was preheated at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Keep in mind that this is the first stage of the baking process. Biscotti is a twice baked thing. So once we bake this, after the 25-minute mark, let's go ahead and check it. We will push on the exterior of the cookie, and if it's kind of firm, we will pull it out and allow it to set, and slice it, lay it flat, and then rebake it. Well, now that the first bake of our biscotti is completed, we allowed it to cool for about 10 to 12 minutes. You see it's pretty firm. Now let's go ahead and I will notch this end off a little bit like this. And now we will go ahead and slice. Well, there you have biscotti. Very easy to make. What I would recommend doing is making sure that you cool the loaf completely before starting to slice. As you probably noticed when I was slicing it, it started to tear a little bit. Several ways you can garnish this thing. Drizzle some chocolate on it, dip it in chocolate, white chocolate. You know, it's a very versatile snack. And you can even make savory biscotti. You know, it's up to you. However you want to do it, feel free to do it. Well, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Once you make your own, I'm pretty sure you're not going to want to buy them ever. They really are easy and quick to make, and you can manipulate them any way you like. If you've not done so, please subscribe to our channel. Love to have you on board, and hit the notification bell and be up to date for our latest posts. Thanks again. You had fight.